Hi everyone, it's Sudha here. Today in this video we're gonna show you how nested if statement work in C++. So you just need to follow me and watch this tutorial with full concentration. First of all, what is nested if? A nested if is an if statement that is target to another if or else. You can say that an if statement within an if statement is called nested if. So guys, if you use if condition and then block, and this one is actually outer if and this one is actually inner if statement. So guys, here get this point. The main thing to remember is that an else statement always refers to the nearest if statement. Here, take an example. You can see that here we use two else statements. The last one else statement is associated with the first one if statement, and the second last else is associated with the third if statement. You can see that the second if statement having no else because it's not in the same block. So guys, here take an example. First open Dev C++ or your favorite IDE. Here I have already typed the main syntax of the program. So in this program I will just declare three variables and display the smallest variable using nested if. So guys, here just come into the main function and here declare three variables that are integer type int a, b and c, and now use cout function that is basically used to print message on the screen. Please enter three values, and now I will just terminate this. Use scene for taking input from the user. So guys, here use exception operator and then variable 1 a and then exception operator and then b variable and then exception operator and then c variable. So guys, terminate this and now use if condition if a less than b. So control move into the inner if and checks if a less than c. So guys, here it will display on the screen cout a is smallest number. So guys, here I will just want to display the value on the screen. So guys, here I will use variable. So it actually concatenates both the value and the message on the screen. So guys, here terminate this and now use else, inner else, and now display the message cout c and within double quotes is smallest number. So I'll just copy this. So here terminate this and now use else, and here again use if condition if b less than c, then it will display on the screen cout b is smallest number. So guys, here terminate this and now again use else condition and now here display cout c is smallest number. So guys, just terminate this and now save this program. I click on execute, compile and done. So guys, here we get the output. Please enter three values. So I will enter 4, press enter, and now second value I will enter 8 and press enter. So the third value I will enter 1. So guys, here the answer is 1 is smallest number. So guys, now understand the working of this program. So guys, here control move into the main function and here declare three variables that are integer type a, b and c. So guys, here this one is actually message that print on the screen. So the main purpose is to understand the working of nested if statement. So guys, here you can see that this one is actually outer if and else, and this one is actually inner if and else. So guys, it's also outer if and outer else. So guys, here you can see that if user enter the three values that are a is equal to 4, and B is equal to 8 and C is equal to 1. So guys, control move into the first condition and check A less than B. So guys, if condition is true, you can see that the condition become true. A is actually less than B because A hold 4 value and B hold 8 value. So guys, here you can see that control move into the inner if statement and checks A less than C. So guys, here you can see that A is not less than C. So this one is actually skip and else part will be execute. So guys, here C is smallest number that is print on the screen. So guys, here if user enter A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 1. So guys, C is equal to 8. You can see that control move to the first condition and check if A less than B. So guys, here you can see that A is not less than B. So this one is actually all skipped, so that are not execute. So control move into this if statement. So guys, here it checks B less than C. So guys, here that is true, B is actually less than C. So this one is print on the screen, B is smallest number. So if it's not, then else part is execute. So guys, here I hope this small video will really help you. If you like the video, then click on like button, subscribe button and share button. If you have any query, then comment below. I will see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz.